Got drunk off your love, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the prey, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once.
Hi guys, welcome into my YouTube channel and welcome into this video where I'll be sharing with you just a random day of my life. We'll start this video by making breakfast. I'll also do some wall art DIY and I'll later give myself a challenge of not buying and just use whatever I had in the house. And the challenge turned out so amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video until the end. And kindly consider subscribing if you have not subscribed. Share this video with your friends if possible. And leave me a sweet comment down there, and don't leave this video without liking it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's get into the video. And just before that, let's get to hear the word of today. Yes, we do read a Bible verse at the beginning of every video. And I hope you enjoy watching it until the end. And today we get our Bible verse from Psalms 25 verse 4, and I read, "Teach me your ways, O Lord, make them known to me." And that is the word of today. Yes, a short one, but with a very good message. And for our breakfast today, it will be a very simple one because I'll only be making some porridge. And we'll have it with some cakes here that I had bought. I'll just toast them with some eggs. And that will be it for breakfast.
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out if you ignite me. There's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the sword, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force to part it. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key control by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
got drunk off your love, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the pain, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it.
And just in case this is your first time you are coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for clicking, and let me take this opportunity and welcome you into this channel, into the Bubbly Mummies family. Yeah, over here we do homemaking videos, that is cleaning, cooking, organizing, lifestyle, bit of motherhood, and any kind of video that is worthy sharing with amazing and beautiful people like you. So if that is the kind of content you like watching, yeah, feel at home, and yeah, this is the place to be. And to my returnees, always welcome back, and I never take you for granted. Thank you so much for always coming back. Yeah, your support means a lot to me.
Far from the light of the day, I can't go back to you. I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side of the moon. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope you are all doing fine. And by the way, it's been long, it's been so long since I did introduction like live on camera. I've been doing a lot of voiceovers, and today I just said, oh, why not? Yeah, and here we are. And I just want to start this vlog on this day. Today is on Thursday, no, today is on Friday. And I want to start by making some wall decors that I saw on my friend's channel. This is what I'm going to use. These are black tapes. I don't know whether they have another name. Tape for electrical installation. Yeah, the ones that is used to install electrics. Is it electricals? The electrics. Yeah, the one that is used to install electricals. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. I saw this decor on my friend's channel. She's called Atun Salim 254. Yeah, you can also check her out. Yeah, and I want to try it. I don't know how it is going to turn out, but I hope it is going to be dope, because I don't know. You know, you just see things on when other people are doing it on social media, and you see them looking so easy and so simple to do them, but when you try, yeah, you just get disappointed. But I'm praying and hoping that I'm not going to be disappointed. Yeah, I got these mini. My phone is going battery low. I got these tapes at 50 bob each, so this is 100. And if the decor turns out the way I saw it on Atuni's channel, honestly, it's going to be worth it, because it was so cute, and yeah, I loved it. So let me give it a try, and I hope it's going to turn out amazing. Yeah, so I don't know how this vlog is going to end, or I don't know what is going to be next, apart from this one decor, but I just hope it's going to be amazing. That one I promise you. But of course, there must be a cooking video or maybe a cleaning video just in uko ndani. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video to the end. And if you're new here to this channel, thank you so much for clicking. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And to my returnees, thank you so much for always coming back. May you be blessed, and yeah, without talking too much, my nails look so bad. It's been a month since I made my nails, and I just decided to give them a break because they have been breaking like ile serious. But now you can see they are now, sijui kana naona wakifanya hivi, yeah, and it's working, yeah, like this. Don't know whether you can see them, yeah, zimegrow vizuri sasa. Yeah, and I'm hoping to make them soon because zilikuwa zimekatika karibu zote, and I just decided to give them a break. But yeah, we are now resuming. So enjoy watching this video to the end, and may you be blessed. Yeah, so come along with me and let's see how it turns out.
I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you bad, but you bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves, far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
And after I was done, that's when I realized like I did it on the wrong place, because I should have at least done it on the middle of the wall. Yeah, so I had to remove everything and redo it again, which will not be included in this video. But since I'll be doing videos on my sitting room, you will get to see it. Yeah, I just moved it, the same thing, the same pattern, but I moved it at least at the middle of the wall, and it turned out so amazing. And when they said Wadasi never ate, I think this is what they meant, because leaving taps on and the water flooding in my whole house, it's a wonder that does not seem to end anytime soon. Wow. Look at that. I think this is the 99th time just to leave my taps on unknowingly, especially the kitchen tap and the water flooding the whole house. And I'm telling you, it was a lot and a lot of work. I think we spent almost 2 hours cleaning, and actually these are the things that I had gone to get, and I found this mess. This what welcomed me in, and where we had to sit down first, take a cup of hot tea, and at least regain some energy to clean the whole mess, because it was a mess. It was a mess. Look at that. The carpet was just swimming. Hey, I don't know how to even say it, because after we were done cleaning the whole thing, my back was aching like serious. Yeah, and this is not right. This is so wrong, by the way, because it's a wastage. It's a total wastage of water, and I'm not even starting to think about the water bill of this month, because kitaniramba proper.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah.
And after 1,000 years of cleaning the whole mess, drying up the house, I was so tired, so tired. Yeah, and I didn't even have the energy to go outside and get something to cook. So I just decided to work with whatever I had in the house, as long as it was edible. Yeah, that's what I used. And I just decided to boil some white rice, and I had some chicken gizzards, chicken blown, nyama bite, some yellow, red, and green capsicum, some broccoli. Yeah, and that's what I used to make my stew. I mixed everything inside, and I'm telling you, it slap. It was so yummy. Yeah, and it was a good challenge of no buying, and it turned out so amazing. And yeah, it was good. It was nice. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
It's been weighing on my mind for too long, too long. Do you wanna save a life? 'Cause I just really need someone. I've been barely holding on, and I'm still running from my demons. I'm still hiding all my secrets, and I just need someone I believe in. Will you wait for me while I'm still healing? You know what to say every time I start to slip away, and I surrender. I surrender. There's no more falling down. I've hit the ground, so I surrender. And I surrender. There's no more falling down. I've hit the ground. You don't owe me anything, but I believe that you can show me all the things that I've been needing. I'm just hoping you give me a reason to go on. And I'm still running from my demons. I'm still hiding all my secrets, and I just need someone I believe in. Will you wait for me while I'm still healing? You know what to say every time I start to slip away, and I surrender. I surrender. There's no more falling down. I've hit the ground, so I surrender. And I surrender.
Also, let me take this opportunity and apologize for missing in action. I have not been able to post any video for the last 2 weeks. The reason being my phone has been having issues with storage because my laptop also broke down like 3 weeks ago. So I didn't have any extra device to transfer some of the videos from the phone in order to create more space on the phone and be able to shoot more videos and also to edit, because most of the time I use my phone to edit. Yeah, and when there is no enough storage, editing it's so hard because the phone keeps on hanging, and also even if the video is fully edited, it's so hard to convert it from the editing app to the gallery. Yeah, because I can't post it to YouTube if it's not already on the gallery. I can't post it direct from the editing app to the YouTube. I have to convert it first to the gallery and then post to YouTube. Yeah, that was the reason for me missing in action. Yeah, but I now hope that everything will just be okay. Everything will just work out just perfect. Yeah. And if you are still here with me up to this point, thank you so much a million times for your support. I never take your support for granted. Thank you so much. And if you are new here, please make sure you don't leave this channel without subscribing. Also give it a very big thumbs up and share with your friends if possible. And also leave me a very good comment down there. Yeah, let me know your thoughts about my videos or the kind of videos that you enjoy most watching from me, so that I can be doing more of such, because your wish is my command. Yeah, let me just not do the talking too much. Let me just end the talking here and just leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. It's remaining like 3 minutes and we just call it a wrap. So until my next, it's a bye-bye for now. See you when you see me in my next video. Ciao.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to feeling